Converting a video to an audio file is a straightforward process. Begin by opening a web browser and navigating to a search engine. Search for video to audio and select a reliable website like VEDV, known for its versatile media conversion tools. On the site, choose the option to convert audio and video to MP3 and click Convert your file by locating it on your device and selecting it. The upload will begin automatically. Once uploaded, look for the conversion settings, usually at the top of the screen, and select your desired output format such as MP3. After confirming your choice, click Convert and the site will process your file. Once completed, a download option will appear. Click on Download to save your newly converted MP3 file to your device. You can choose other audio formats if needed, but the process will be familiar to you.